Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's October 28th, 2011, and I'm bringing you your morning coffee. After a big day yesterday in just about everything, stock market sharply higher, grains, all commodities except for the dollar. Today, finding investors are taking a little bit of a profit-taking approach as we get into the weekend. It's a Friday. It's an end of the month. Looks like investors are actually taking some profits, and we could see a little bit of a setback today. But I still feel that support, that we're going to find pullbacks as some good support. A lot of the news out of Europe from yesterday is going to be looked at as positive, and it feels like the feeling behind it could last a while. Stock futures right now are trading down a little bit. We're down about 44 points. We've got crude oil setting back just a touch, down $1.50, but still sitting at $92.50. A big gain this week for crude. We've seen a dramatic, pretty drastic rally, and looks like it is to be strong, and could be a very good close yet for crude. As far as the metals, we've had one of the largest rallies, weekly rallies for gold that we've seen in months. But gold's setting back right now about $10. Silver down about 3 cents. So as I mentioned, you've got more of this, I don't know if it's more of a hangover type attitude after a big party yesterday, but we are getting a little profit taken, which in turn has the dollar higher. After the big, enormous pressure that we've seen in the dollar yesterday, you've got the dollar that is now up about 13 cents, sitting at 75.15 right now. But you look at some of the gains that we've seen for this week, and a lot of the commodities, the dollar's actually down $1.47 for the week. So a huge break. And so that's still going to be looked at as a very key component to watch. If the dollar is going to strengthen quite a bit more today, you're going to find commodities back off. But watch that dollar. If we start to see that turn and we see the dollar start to go negative today, we're probably going to find a boost yet in commodities. This feeling of Europe, you've got talks and the idea that things feel pretty good, that this is a good plan, and guys are supporting that. So you're going to find this risk-on mentality for commodities, and that may stick around for a little bit. As far as the grains, we are getting a little bit of a setback this morning. Corn's looking to open up maybe 3 to 4 lower, but we're still within a range. December corn sitting at right below that 648 area. You're going to find good support. Lower end of the range is 630. Upper end of the range is closer to that 665. Here we are in the middle. You're going to find good support as we approach that 640, and as we get, just like yesterday, as we got near 660, we saw the market back off a little bit. Beans down 7.5 overnight. We're sitting at 12.50 right now for that January contract. Same thing. The range we've set up, 12.07 on the low end and 12.80 on the high end. Here we are sitting in the middle. Wheat down about 4.5 cents overnight, sitting at 639.5. Same thing there. Wheat's been more of a follower. If we're going to see the grains start to strengthen, wheat's going with it. If we see it pull back, wheat's going to settle back as well. Livestock, some stories out there this morning. Cash trading in Kansas, steady to $1 lower. We'll see if that's going to hold here today. But fat cattle trading a little higher right now, up about 45 cents. Feeders are mixed. And we've got the hogs right now trading slightly higher, so steady to maybe 10 better right now for the hogs. Cash hogs down again yesterday, down another $1.90. So we've seen a lot of pressure in the hogs. The cash market has broke hard this week. We've seen futures follow, and if that cash market's going to continue down, we're going to see futures drop back some more yet. So be careful with that. But as I mentioned, keep your eyes on the dollar today. That's been a key factor here for commodities in general. That's going to remain. So we'll see what direction the dollar wants to move today, and we're going to find commodities go the other direction. So give us a call over here with questions you may have, 800-262-7538, or check us out right there on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today and have a great weekend. Take care.